right back together.
Last night on the freeway, something came loose, whatever, but we're gonna bring it back. Nice dyno session last night, though.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys the dyno session in a minute, but on the way home, you know, Chad was just driving it home, and
the crank bolt was loose. I don't know why.
Crank bolt was loose, and
we never touched it.
We're gonna show you guys the dyno in a minute. It made decent power, you know, for a built head with turbo cams and all that stuff. You know, it made decent power. So we're gonna show you that in a minute, guys, and we're gonna take it out, see what's wrong with it, and keep you updated. So we're on the way. We're gonna give us a little tuning, and also the yellow one is coming. Chad's gonna be driving the yellow one.
You can plug the
right into the pencil yard mounting. Yo! Walk on, my ear. Where are things at? Where's that?
Danny. Yeah, he was back here. Give me a shortly.
Okay.
So I can open up.
Walk on, my ear. Watch your man cave. You good? Alright, cool. So yeah, the traffic is wicked, so we have to cook up. So, yeah, the Civic King combo. I got this GTR right now.
Alright, let me get my laptop on here. They made it.
We did like 140 around the turn. No, I'm just kidding.
Yo, what's up with that traffic?
No, it wasn't that bad.
Damn, we got it worse.
No, the traffic was.
I took Sone around the world, man.
I know.
Gandhi, everything. Come all the way around.
I didn't know. I went on a what is it? TK Safari tour. I was like, man, I didn't know Tampa had this. Where we at, TK?
Yeah, I'll give you a little tour.
It doesn't overheat.
Everything's good?
Not even close. No. Okay. It goes to 180 and it goes right back down.
411. This was first.
Did you say something about
411. Red.
Running red?
Yeah, running red. No. That was just a baseball.
Big up.
Don't leave home without it.
10. You're gonna lose it by the time you leave.
Luckily, we have 4 more on board.
Give a shout out to Pencil Tuning.
Yes,
doing
sir.
the GTR, get a little bass on it.
Yes, sir.
If you guys in Tampa want the 4-wheel dyno, you know how they come to.
Yes, sir. Add us on Instagram. It's 813 Performance on Instagram for tunes, pencil tuning.
Pencil Tuning. All right, cool. Give it up. Next up, we have this little automotive thing. We're gonna do a little thing on it.
Yeah, so with this one is automotive, we're just trying to show that the split between the front and
the back.
rear drive. Yeah, so we're not trying to make crazy power with this, but this is just something that we're trying to show.
Just
And then-
we just want to get some numbers first and
Yeah,
get
from
it
there.
from there. Yeah.
Exactly, and then right after this, maybe after FL2K, we'll throw the supercharger on it and then go from there. We just want a real nice, fun, nice driving car, you know? So,
As you heard it, sir. What's up? What's up? Big up
How's
to the
it going?
tuner.
All right.
You got a plug on the Instagram there?
It's Yariel.f. It's private right now, but I'll make it public so you guys
So
can see it.
he got private, so you know we got him. So you know what I mean. But yeah,
Definitely.
he's gonna do the all drive port today, the high end. He did the street tune before, so as Sone said, guys, we just want a little, pull. The NA is not gonna make that much power, but we want to all-wheel drive pull to show you guys what it makes and everything. And then after that, we either supercharge, high compression, or turbo. We don't know yet. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Where your car coming?
Hopefully Saturday.
The fastest car in Tampa, huh?
I wish.
This guy got the fastest Supra in Tampa. Look at him. Girlfriend, bro, you can't pay attention. What's up, bro?
What's up?
See?
Yes, sir. Ready to see this thing make some power.
No VTEC yet, guys. This thing's gonna be killer once the VTEC pops in. Good numbers so far. Time to re-up on the E85. Car's making some good power, but this car had a built head with turbo cams in it. Still all motor, but man, this thing could go nice. When we put that supercharger on, our turbo kit, it's gonna make mad power, man. Mad power. Check the shop out. Scarlett's. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Give up, if I do something, then I feel like
Okay guys, so we made like
238 right now. So that's with the all-wheel drive. So after FL2K, we're gonna come back and we're gonna remove the drive shaft and we're gonna see what the power difference is.
And that's with some we got some cams in there also, right? Some turbo cams.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
so it's still good. What do you think, guys? That's on the 4 rollers right there.
I got one more.
We're gonna try for 240 right now. Let's keep climbing, right?
That's it. That's what we could do with a 60-foot.
Alright guys, so I think we're going to be stopping there for the night. 240s is good with a drive shaft on, turbo cams, you know what I'm saying? So when we get back from FL2K, as the guy said, we are going to take the drive shaft off and do another run. And hopefully it's the same power to show you that you don't lose any power really all-wheel drive, alright? That's another thing. We can go higher in RPM. Stock block, I wouldn't recommend it. 9,000 is about the limit. Everything else is good. Probably beat on it every day. And
That's a bet.
Don't tell him that, man. Because I'm gonna have to pull this stuff off the tranny.
We're gonna get a Ross and a
it's not bad, right, son?
Oh, love it, love it.
Alright, we're gonna be back.
Well worth it. So now we could.
Yeah, I'm soupies. I wait now.
stupid.
Right for the oxtail, yeah.
I heard oxtail. We're going?
Whenever you're gonna have a meat, you better have an oxtail.
We're going?
Here, this man, a free oxtail, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I'll put that on video. I'll have oxtail here for soon.
Go on the cheers.
Yeah.
Hey,
And I know they
don't.
a good video.
You know, it's on video.
Yeah.
So if I don't have oxtail,
I'll have oxtail here for you.
Yo, Javi, so you just went on a street pull. How you feel? Honest opinion.
Honest opinion, at first I thought it was faster than my car. Then I realized that all-wheel drive. My God, I gotta put that in my car.
Nice, right?
Yes, it runs really good. Power band after 5,000 RPM is insane. Insane. So
Nice.
whoever ends getting this car is gonna be extremely happy.
We don't know yet. We
so
don't know.
tell him about the rain, about hooking in the rain.
No, it hooked up very good, you know.
No slip.
No slip.
No slip.
Absolutely no
Good.
slip. It feels great, yeah.
Nice, nice.
Second gear was just a breeze. It felt good.
All right, guys, you hear it here. Who wants an NA? Get an NA because it grips just as good.
This one, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. This one, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.